Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're covering Marvin Gerst Trail. Now this is an urban hike, really off the 56. It's the 56 bike path. We're gonna go through the normal trail details, how to get there, what you need to know. But I wanted to cover, this is an urban hike. This is not the most exciting hike you can do. If you're looking to explore, get out, try something new, this is an option. This is nearby, it's very close, very easy to get to. Let's jump into those details. The Marvin Gerst Trail is 4.1 miles. I clocked it in closer to 3.75. Elevation gain is pretty flat, under 200 feet, and route type is an out and back. Important to note, this is kid friendly, dogs on leash, and it ends in a bit of a weird spot. You can keep going if you want, but it turns back into a paved road, and that's how you know it ends, so keep a lookout for your map. Getting here, very simple. It's again off the 56, Carmel Mountain Preserve parking, plenty of space, no fees. You'll find the bike path here on the west side. You'll get on that and follow it through. You'll see the signs as well for the Gerst Trail itself. And lastly, the details you need to know before going. It is pretty flat. There is freeway noise for most, if not all of this trail. It is partially shaded. A good amount of it is shaded, so it's a really good option during summertime, which is exactly what we did. It's been really warm, had a really enjoyable experience walking, hiking on this trail. There's plenty of trash cans along the road, so make sure you pack it in, pack it out. And the only last little bit of advice I'll give you is you do walk past some bushes and under some bridges. You could potentially, I didn't, but you could potentially run into a homeless person or anything like that. So just make sure you're mindful, aware of your surroundings. I don't recommend you put on both headphones for this. If you have a bike, this is a great option for you. The 56 bike path goes a pretty long way, so this is just a very small piece of it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, this is not a great one, but if you're looking for something a little bit different in those hot summer months, it's a good option. Stay tuned, and I'll see you next week.